Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a new effect in Adobe Illustrator. It's very easy and small. So let's start. Today we will talk about crop marks effect. This effect is used for add crop marks for any white postcard or any paper you want to cut in after print it. Like this, if I have any rectangle like this, and I have some logo in this rectangle and I want to cut it after print it, but I didn't have this stroke like this. I will choose effect menu and crop marks. Then I have these marks and I can cut it after print it.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.